All right, what's up, Blockheads? Today we're working on the Indian Scout. In the garage with me, we got everybody. Everybody say hi.
Hi.
Y'all go follow them. Instagrams. Dynanator, High Vis Greg, Bagger Row, Orion Base, Face Nectar. I don't know what their actual names are. Just Instagram. Y'all go give them a follow. So today we're working on the Indian Scout bobber project. And Eric has, as always, gotten started right into the... Are you twirling your mustache?
Oh, just wait. Don't look. I don't have my brush
Look
right
like
now.
the Pringles, man.
Yeah, once you pop, fun don't stop.
Hey! New catchphrase. So we're working on the Indian Scout bobber project that we're giving away. If you guys are interested in possibly winning this bike, you can join up at Patreon, patreon.com/blockheadmoto. You basically pledge per episode. However many episodes come out while you're pledged equals the amount of your entries. This is the last month that we're doing for the giveaways. So by the end of this month, we're going to be moving on to next season, which is season 6. And hopefully we should be done with this bike. We're almost done with the Yamaha Bolt, which is turning out pretty badass. Everybody here says they like it. And we're also pretty much done with the Iron, not 883. It is a Iron 1200 SNS Hooligan now. So we're giving away the Iron, the Yamaha Bolt, and the Indian Scout. So we're working on this one today. We got some parts in from Indian and some parts in from Tank Machine to make it into a true Baba. Yeah, I just always like to throw in that these parts are from France because it makes it seem way more classy. So Tank Machine, France.
Block, I have a concern.
What's up?
It's going to be a bobber, right?
Yeah.
I have a feeling the frame comes all the way to the back here. So like, does it bob like... We'll find out, I guess, right?
I have a feeling what's in that box is going to solve all of our problems.
Most likely.
Yeah.
I think so.
Might have done my research a little bit.
I have no clue. I've never seen this.
Just a little bit.
Never seen any of this. Like, I almost threw up when he told me to work on this bike, but I'm gonna do it for you guys.
Dang.
No, I like the bike.
Eric secretly loves Indian. Here's a quick clip of him and I going to pick it up, which I haven't shown you guys, which I might release as like a secret episode.
Why would you
We'll
do that? He's dangerous with his camera. I'm telling you. That's fine. That's fine. You can do it.
All right, let's roll intro and then we'll get into some montagey goodness.
On your neck.
Yeah. Gonna lay stuff out over here like that. There we go, guys. It's all the parts from Tank Machine. So we've got some block off plates for inside the fender there, little fender support, and a couple other pieces, not really sure what's up. And then the actual fenders. And we got the extra seat in there, which we'll open up whenever we're done with all this stuffs. Eric's over here using this Translate app.
Bro, I can't read that, dude. I got it. The Translate app works pretty good though.
So how does this work? You basically just hold it up and it translates like in real time?
Yeah, watch. Let's see if we get it to do it. Okay, so foreign language, and then you put it over like that, and then hit translate, and just straight up translated it.
It's badass.
I don't even have to learn another language. I could just be super ignorant forever.
Super American.
I love internet.
All this French stuff really got everybody in the mood for French fries. So we're gonna take a break. Wes is actually going Japanese, the sushi route. I don't know what these guys are doing, but we'll figure it out.
Steak fries.
Steak fries. Freedom fries. So we're gonna go ahead and cut here, but we will continue the installation. We do have to remove the rear wheel, so
yeah.
It's gonna be fun. Yay, bobber projects. But hey, appreciate y'all's help. There's definitely a lot less people in this garage than there were when we started. But I'll probably continue without, but you guys be sure to go give them a follow. Face Nectar, High Vis Greg, Bagger Bro. See you guys in a little bit. It'll probably be like a week before, but it'll seem like a second for you guys, so BRB.
Hey.
Tomorrow.
What's up, guys? We're back working on the Indian. This is the most essential thing for working on.
Rough night last night, tell you that much.
To the break of dawn, yo!
That stuff is delicious. Oh.
Smells good, though.
So yeah, we're continuing working on the Indian. We left off and we were trying to read these French directions. What we did find out was that we have to remove the rear wheel. So we're gonna remove the axle, remove the wheel, so that we can get into interior of the swing arm here, so that we can drill and tap some of the support bracketry.
I don't think we have to drill. It's got like these like set screws or set.
Oh, they just bite in.
Yeah, they're like super like sharp, and it binds into the bottom control arm.
Cool. All right, let's montage this beverage of this part of the episode.
Brought to you by Claw.
Ain't no laws.
Where's the drink of Claw?
There's also no hangover, which is the best part. So you guys can talk all the you want. Doesn't matter.
You guys seen my? Come on, man. You need to tune down the cars, right? Okay.
Oh, also, Wes is over here working. Wes is over here working on the Grom. This is a very, very by the book way to work on Groms. You just lay them over on their sides for a nap. You administer some anesthesia, and then you just take the cases apart and work on them.
Bro, cue Jurassic Park, where she's like feeling the belly.
Yeah. So while we're working on this, he's working on this as well. We're doing this because we got a nice air conditioning in this garage. It's one of my first investments.
Dude, we had to turn it up because it was too cold.
Yeah, it was too damn cold in here. I remember last time you were working on one of them, you said you picked up a tool and it was cold. You were like, it's so nice, like middle of summer.
It had like frost on it.
Yeah.
Or not frost, but it was like the cold moisture. It was nice.
Things paying for itself. I knew it'd be worth it. All right, there you go. Back, we got this seat, good seat, bracketry, hardware, a couple of other bits and pieces here. Pretty sure this goes like over this seat. Oh yeah, I'll go like there, I guess. Backing plate going on.
Yeah.
There we go.
The long bolts go on the top because I know how to read French.
That's a great reason. All right, so we took the bolts here out, which allow us to lift the tank a bit to get this pan cover in.
Pan.
And then pan.
Well, Pan.
No, my name is Pam.
Are you saying Pan or Pam?
I'm saying Pam.
All right, we've switched over to some Hefeweizen from Crooked Can. My koozie is the Horsepower Inc. If you guys use a Horsepower Inc. koozie while working on a bike, it actually gives it more horsepower. TC Bros koozie, TC Bros hat,
Hey.
TC Bros banner. All
All
right,
about TC Bros.
thanks TC Bros.
Horsepower Inc., where you at?
Cheers. Coming along pretty well with the rest of this, but we're gonna go ahead and change out the suspension. We did get some Olean's suspension.
Did he?
Let's go check it out.
Let's go.
Went with that, top tier.
How you say it? Olean's?
Olean's.
I don't like it.
Yeah, most people say Olin's, but it's actually Olean's.
Alright, Olean's.
If you call their customer service number, which is right there,
They will let you know?
Yeah, they'll basically say Olean's. So these parts brought to you guys in part by Revzilla. Really appreciate them helping sponsor this season of the Blockhead bike giveaway. You guys want to see?
No.
Oh.
Alright. Oof. Oof. Hey, oh my goodness gracious. Yo, you sure you want to give this bike away?
But it's what you've said for a couple of the giveaway bikes.
I know. I can't. I get attached to these things.
Those things are beautiful.
Yes.
Oh my god.
Bro, so good. Can I lick it?
No.
No.
No licking it.
Eric, no licking.
All right, guys, so we got the cover on and we have the seat mounting bracket all bolted down.
No.
Next
No.
step, what's the next step?
You already know that big boy or big girl seat, however, Bam, son, look at that.
That's super clean.
I'm actually kind of excited about this because this will fit my fat ass. Yeah. Wait. It's new.
This is becoming a thing.
It's new.
All right, this is where the real magic is. Whenever you see this thing start to come together.
Hold on now.
Oh, we got some bolts in there.
Yeah, I didn't wanna. Up, okay, up, okay. All right, teamwork. Teamwork. Okay.
I think there's not a big old tire here.
I know, huh?
So the way this this bobber works with this rear fender, since the fender is not mounted to the frame, the fender is now mounted to the swing arm. Whenever the wheel basically moves and the suspension compresses and all that stuff, this will stay the same distance apart from the tire, so we will never have any like issues, you know, with it rubbing and whatnot.
And then you can make the seat rigid because it's not a rigid frame.
Exactly. So you've got, instead of the suspension or springs here, you've got them here. So if we were to have it as a true bobber, we would make that actually rigid.
Yeah, the swing arm would be rigid, so you'd have like just straight posts here. Or whatever,
and then we do the suspension here.
sprung, yeah.
But yeah, it's, I guess, so true-ish bobber.
Yeah.
We're not doing suspension
This
here.
is
we're doing,
much gooder in my opinion.
yeah, me too. I mean,
I just
shit.
wanted to say gooder.
Look at these, the suspension. It's not like you can get like these little baby Orleans right here.
Right.
That'd be funny though.
Millie.
Why aren't we listening to that?
Alright, so the fender's on. You
Sweet.
put the wheel on?
Wheel and tire time. Gotta get all this cleaned up though. There we go.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Shout out to Jess. Oh yeah.
Said 65.
Yep.
One more Ocoee. Alright.
Hi.
I like it.
Before I give the bike away, we also take it to Indian and we get everything fully inspected from front to back.
I like that.
Fluids, both coolant, oils, all the nuts and bolts checked, compression, full inspection. So make sure everything's good to go before I ship it off. So
Good. That's nice.
yeah, it'll be all done up and make sure it's ready for its new home. Front fender time, which shouldn't take as long.
Nah, yeah, we should be good, doggy.
And then we get to do bars, new wiring and all that stuff. I'm just joking, bro.
Today?
No, I'm just joking. I do think I want to take these off just so we can kind of get the idea of the profile of it, though.
Today?
Nah, we'll do it next time.
Okay.
Eric's ready to go. Oh, and we got a new headlight for it. Oh, and we have front Olean suspension. Oh, and we have... I'm just joking. That'll be next episode.
Alright.
Future episodes.
Yeah.
That's the biggest one I wanted to get done, though, and it came out so badass, guys.
Yes, it is.
But this
Solid.
is nice. Very nice.
Cool, like...
All right, true bobber, no front fender.
I
Done.
think you should just leave it like this.
Right. Throw some drags on it, dude. Once we change the bars, it's gonna change the look of this so much.
Right. I'm gonna be the guy that's an asshole.
That's fine.
I'm against this, but only because I'm fat. I don't want to lean forward that much. That's the only reason, really.
Yeah, it's gonna change the profile like this line a lot though, so it's
You're a
not gonna
skinny
sweep
guy,
back.
that'd be good.
And so the bars are basically gonna come and they're gonna be even like with the gauge. So the gauge will be the tallest point, and then on those drags we're gonna do bar end mirrors, so we won't have these big old ones sticking up. So Eric just dumped out this hardware. What'd you say?
Bro, it's just a front fender. How can you overcomplicate this?
That
I don't know.
was a lot of hardware.
Alright. Dunzos.
Bobber front fender done. But that's the episode for the day. Like I said in the beginning of it, we are giving this bike away. So the end of the season for this bike is April 30th. To get entered, to pledge to the channel, to be able to possibly win this through Patreon. And then at the end of this season, we're giving away different bikes. For season 5, which is what this bike is part of, season 5, we're also giving away this Harley-Davidson Iron 1200 SNS Hooligan, Yamaha Bolt Club Style, which we've got like custom seat on, all that good stuff, custom wheels, all that. We're giving away those 3 bikes. So there will be 3 winners for season 5. So if you guys...
Like when we first picked up these bikes, Block, The only one that I was worth getting to me was Iron. But now, to be honest, like they're all worthy components. Like they all came out really nice. So I'd be happy to take any one of these right now, to be honest. Maybe the Indian.
Dude, the Indian's gonna be sick by the time we're done. I mean, they're all gonna be sick by the time we're done. The Iron's probably gonna look the most stock, but there's still a good.
Dude, the Iron's got the performance.
Yeah, the 1200
Going with it.
S&S
So,
Hooligan.
yeah.
So yeah, the
rode
big
that
bore,
bike.
the cams. Yeah,
Scared the shit out of me.
it's a
It was
beast.
40, yeah.
And then this one, I mean, it's already fast as hell, but like we're really like adding that performance in terms of suspension. We're gonna add a dyno jet. We're gonna tune it up. We're getting it breathing better, and then we're getting it looking better as well. So that's pretty much the goal with all of them. Same with the Bolt. You're gonna tune it up. We got dyno jet tuners over there for all of them.
God, thanks to Chris for that 1200 kit install.
Yeah, shout out to
Man,
Chris, Sick White Glad.
with that.
Yep. If you all are interested in any of the parts that we're using for these bikes, be sure to check out the description down below. RevZilla is actually the sponsor of Season 5, so if you guys want to scoop up any of the parts, a majority of them, however, the stuff like the rear fender, the seat and all that for the Indian here is from Tank Machine. So unfortunately you can't get that through RevZilla, but I'll be sure to link that down in the description below as well. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, do us a favor, help us to hack that YouTube algorithm, hit that like button for us. And if you guys aren't subscribed already, you want to continue to see Moto content like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and then hit that bell icon as well so it sends you notifications of future uploads and activity. And until next time, you guys, ride safe out there, stay vigilant. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.